Microsoft's Bing Image Creator, powered by artificial intelligence, is a remarkable tool designed to generate realistic images based on user prompts. Launched in March 2023, it has undergone continuous upgrades to enhance its capabilities for users. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Bing Image Creator, looking at what it is, how to use the tool, and also reviewing the pros and cons of using the tool. So make sure you watch until the end to catch all the details. But before we go any further, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI innovations. Operating on OpenAI's renowned DALL-E 3 text-to-image model, known for its exceptional performance, Bing Image Creator leverages extensive training on diverse datasets to accurately interpret prompts. This fusion of technologies enables users to swiftly transform their artistic ideas into tangible visuals, all at no cost. With its intuitive interface and rapid image generation, it's no surprise that the tool has generated significant attention. Bing Image Creator has garnered rave reviews, earning 5-star ratings across various platforms and receiving high praise from users. You'll also be pleased to know that the tool is acclaimed for its user-friendly interface. If Microsoft Edge is your default browser, Bing AI can operate directly from its sidebar. However, if you're using another browser, you can still access it through the web version. You can visit AI Top Tools and search for Bing Image Creator there to find the website and all the information you need, including features, rankings, ratings, and user reviews. Once you've accessed Bing Image Creator, follow these steps to get started with image creation in Bing. Step 1. Make a Microsoft account. The first step is to visit Microsoft's account page and sign into your existing account or create a new one. You need an account to access Bing Image Creator. After creating your account, you can navigate to the Bing Image Creator page, sign in, and get started. There, you'll see a text box where you can enter your prompt. Below it, there's a button labeled Join and Create. You can also create an account directly from there by clicking Sign In, and then selecting the Don't Have an Account, Create One. Step 2. Create a prompt. Now that you've made your account, it's time to envision what you want to create. Once you have an idea, try to describe it to the AI with as much detail as possible. The more specific you are, the more satisfying the result will be. After all, AI can't read your mind. When creating prompts, it's helpful to use specific adjectives to provide detail. Mentioning attributes like height, age, hair color, and body type of a person can enrich the description. Additionally, specifying the preferred artistic style, whether it's realistic, watercolor, sketch, or pixel art, helps convey the desired aesthetic. Describing the location or background where the subject will be situated adds context and enhances the overall composition. Lastly, mentioning the desired camera angle ensures the image accurately captures the intended perspective. These considerations contribute to crafting prompts that effectively communicate your vision to the AI. Step 3. Post your prompt. Once you've crafted a detailed prompt, it's time to input it into the tool. You can do this either through Bing Chat or directly on the Bing Image Creator website mentioned earlier. If using Bing Chat, start your prompt with Create an image of or similar language. On Bing's Image Creator website, simply post the prompt as it is. Bing will process your request and generate 4 images based on the description, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your vision. Keep in mind that longer and more detailed prompts may take longer to process. If you're struggling to come up with a prompt, there's also a Surprise Me button available. Clicking on it will generate a prompt for you to create images from or use as inspiration. Step 4. Customize. One of the advantages of Bing Image Creator is the range of customization options available on the tool's webpage. If you're not completely satisfied with the result or want to make slight alterations, you can customize the photo according to your preferences. So, what are the benefits of using Bing Image Creator? It's important to note that the popularity of Bing Image Creator is well-deserved, as it offers numerous benefits to its users. The built-in customization options allow for greater autonomy, enabling users to tailor AI-generated photos to their liking. And inspiration is always readily available through the Explore Ideas feature and the Surprise Me button. But whilst Bing AI Image Creator offers numerous benefits, it's also important to acknowledge its limitations. Firstly, like all AI image generators, Bing Image Creator may occasionally produce unexpected results. Some images may deviate from the provided prompt, resulting in distorted visuals that can be unsettling. Additionally, users have reported instances where multiple objects mentioned in the prompt were amalgamated into a single, unrecognizable mesh in the final output. Secondly, while the tool offers language options beyond English, there can be inconsistencies in language support. Despite selecting a preferred language, users may find that the interface reverts to English upon navigating to the image generation page. Lastly, concerns have been raised regarding content policy enforcement. While Microsoft has implemented measures to combat copyright infringement and abuse, the effectiveness of these policies remains questionable. Instances of misuse, such as the creation of NSFW deepfakes and plagiarism, persist, indicating a need for stronger enforcement measures. While Bing Image Creator offers valuable features, it's essential to remain mindful of its shortcomings, including unexpected image generations, language support issues, and content policy enforcement challenges. With this in mind, exploring alternatives to Bing Image Creator can also help you find the perfect tool for your specific needs. Here are 3 standout alternatives worth considering. RenderNet. RenderNet stands out for its character consistency feature, allowing users to maintain the same character traits across multiple images. This is particularly useful for creating AI avatars or engaging in storytelling with consistent character appearances. Unlike many other AI image generators, RenderNet ensures that characters remain consistent even with repeated use of the same prompt. Styler AI. Styler AI offers a vast library of predefined styles, eliminating the need for detailed prompt descriptions. Users have extensive control over image composition and style, and the powerful Enhance tool further enhances image quality. What sets Styler AI apart is its emphasis on user participation in the artistic process, providing tools for layering, positioning, and sketching akin to manual illustration. ThumbMachine. As its name suggests, ThumbMachine focuses on creating thumbnails and advertisements. Using artificial intelligence, ThumbMachine generates professional-looking thumbnails that are visually appealing and bound to attract audiences. It's an invaluable tool for content creators and marketers alike, especially for creating Facebook ads. While still relatively new, ThumbMachine offers a free trial or pay-as-you-go option starting at $14.95. In summary, the Bing AI Image Creator stands out as an indispensable asset for individuals aiming to elevate their image creation abilities. Its versatile features and user-friendly interface make it a go-to choice for artists, designers, and professionals. Whether you're crafting visuals for work projects or simply involved in creative expression, this tool offers a wealth of opportunities. However, it's also worth noting that there are a whole bunch of alternative tools within the realm of artificial intelligence-driven image generation. If you're keen on exploring the wide array of such AI tools, delving into their distinctive features, user reviews, and performance metrics, be sure to explore the comprehensive AI tools list, available at AI Top Tools. Thank you for joining us for this review of Bing Image Creator. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And we hope this video has provided valuable insights into the world of AI-driven image creation.